This is not our first struggle, and it's not our first victory. Women have been fighting for social change, for democracy, for equality for decades and decades.
We come together in fields and factories, in village markets and supermarkets, in living rooms and boardrooms. We share a common future, and we are here to find common ground so that we may help bring new dignity and respect to women and girls all over the world.
We are here this evening to celebrate the women on whose shoulders we stand.
It really is a revolution.
The women are not waiting for permission to do their work.
يجب أن نقف مع الشعوب المضطهدة.
And to be a voice for the women that don't have a voice.
Women have to be at the center.
And an arc of history.
The time is now.
No one can stop us. We will speak up for our rights, and we will bring change through our voice. Our words can change the whole world because we are all together.
The time for rhetoric is over. The time for pretending we don't know what is going on is over. And the time is now for equal rights for women, equal pay for women, and respect for women.